Mushrooms are a kind of food which are liked by some people and are disliked by some other people. Several people have got several doubts about mushrooms, whether they are vegetarian food or non-vegetarian food. Also, some people have got doubts whether they can be eatable or not eatable. Let us discuss about the facts of mushrooms. Stay tuned. Mushrooms are a kind of fungi that are grown in forests, especially in fall and spring. Also, mushrooms grow from the base of the trees and decomposing woods. Nowadays, mushrooms are being cultivated domestically because of their increased popularity. There are several kinds of mushrooms around the world. Out of those, two kinds of mushrooms, including milky mushrooms and button mushrooms, are popular in India. Mushrooms grown in area where there is high moisture. Actually, vegetables are low-calorie foods in nature. Next are leafy vegetables. Mushrooms also contain calories equivalent to vegetables and leafy vegetables. Also, mushroom contains minerals more than vegetables and are equivalent to leafy vegetables. Therefore, they are considered to be vegetarian food scientifically. For every 100 grams of mushrooms contains 22 calories of energy. The most important fact of mushrooms is that they contains 90% of water, 0% fat and less carbohydrates. Due to this reason, if one consumes mushrooms, they will have a definite fat reduction. Also, the other highlight of mushroom is that they contains vitamin D and B12. Nowadays, we are not exposed to sun due to the change in lifestyles. Due to this, we are dependent on vitamin D capsules. But if we consume mushrooms, we will have natural vitamin D. Also, mushrooms are rich in vitamin B12. This vitamin B12 is not available in vegetarian food and is only available in non-vegetarian food. So, vegetarian people will have lack of vitamin B12 and they suffer from diseases including osteoporosis and hair fall. By consuming mushrooms, both vegetarians and non-vegetarians can have sufficient vitamin B12. Mushroom nutrient chart is given in the description below. Please check. You can also visit my website naturalcosmos.com for the same. Mushrooms are useful in several ways. They can reduce weight. Mushrooms contains high fiber. This helps in increasing good cholesterol HDL and reducing the bad cholesterol LDL. These are helpful for reducing weight. They are useful for reducing chronic diseases. According to scientific study, mushrooms reduce chronic diseases including heart diseases and diabetes, etc. Boosts immunity. Mushrooms contains various nutrients which are helpful for boosting immunity of the human body. They are useful for increasing energy levels. Mushrooms contains various sources that can increase the energy levels of the human body. At the same time, they also contains low calories. They are useful in eliminating viruses and bacteria. Mushrooms has the capability of eliminating active bacteria and hence reducing the viruses. Mushrooms are helpful in reducing anemia. Mushrooms contains folic acid. This folic acid will be useful for reducing of anemia. They are helpful in reducing stress. Makes the mind peaceful by reducing stress and strain. Mushrooms are helpful in reducing osteoporosis. Actually, mushrooms contains two vital vitamins including vitamins D and vitamin B12. These vitamins are responsible for the bone growth and hence they reduces osteoporosis. Also, they reduces hair fall. Mushrooms are useful in reducing cancer. Mushrooms are good antioxidants. Also, they have low fat and cholesterol levels. Hence, these are useful for cell growth. So, they are useful for reducing cancer. Apart from this, mushrooms have also got several benefits. Those include they act as a bleaching powder in surgical bandages, as a cloning agent, and useful in anesthesia. Also, on consuming mushrooms, one may result in allergies. These allergies include throat infection and swelling of lips, etc. One should consult a doctor on attaining the said results on consuming the same. Also, one should check the mushrooms carefully before using them. Mushrooms should not turn white to brownish color. They may turn poisonous. Many people think that mushrooms are rich in proteins, but this is not the case. Mushrooms are rich in fiber. So on the whole, mushrooms contain 0% fat and are rich in carbohydrates. Also, they contain large amount of water in it. So these are very helpful in reducing fat. Also, mushrooms contain 2 vital vitamins, including vitamin D and vitamin B12. These 2 vitamins are available only in mushrooms and are not in any vegetables or leafy vegetables. So one can consume mushrooms on a regular basis and can stay healthy. Also, one can do the recipes which they want using mushrooms. You can also find the article in my website naturalcosmos.com. I am also leaving a description in the description box below. If you really like the video, you can like the video and you can subscribe the channel, and also you can click on the bell icon so that you can get the immediate notifications. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in the next video.